everyone! Hello dear subscribers, how are you today? Let's play a game. Write in the comments the makeup transformation you think I should do next, and if this video gets 1000 likes and 100 comments, I will do it. Today I would like to share with you some TikToks that have literally broken the internet. Okay, let's watch. Oh, nice! Today, I will try to repeat that. We decided to save on a real explosion, so we used animated one. I hope it looked okay. By the way, looking at this makeup, doesn't it seem like it's a bit too sweaty? They look so shiny. I said nonsense, right? You know, I don't think this makeup will be very difficult to do. I think I rate this makeup 5 unhappy me out of 10. Hey you! What? So from where I should start this makeup? Hey, focus! What are you watching there, by the way? I'm watching your sneaking makeup to school video. It's so funny and cool. So today I'm gonna let you decide how will I start this video. So, should I start this video with the face cream?
Boring!
Or maybe with a can of soda?
No.
Or maybe with a kiss from the cameraman? Or foundation?
Oh yeah, baby!
No. No!
Not my choice.
Ow! I knew I would start with cream and soda. Oh, where was I? Face cream, yeah. Let's start with the face cream. Just to make the skin more moisturized. Okay, now we have to cover the eyebrows. I will be using glue, my favorite. Let's just brush them like this upwards. I think this is the hardest part of this makeup transformation. Okay, let's let them dry a little bit. Okay, the eyebrows are ready. As you can see, they're really stuck. We have to cover them now, so I will use the fixing powder. The eyebrows are perfectly ready for coverage. Okay, I take some foundation with a sponge, and let's see if it works. Yeah, it's covering.
That's great!
Yeah.
Can you please tell me how to cover my bruise on the eye?
On your eye, I'm not sure how to cover it. I know how to make the second one, if you need. Wow! And don't worry that it's a bit too light, because that's the point. It needs to be a bit lighter skin. Oh my god, I don't see my eyebrows. Like at all. Okay, we can proceed with all the face. Okay, we covered all the face. Now let's put the powder. Ooh. Now the fun moment to actually, oops, wrong side. Yeah, now we can do the eyebrows. They need to look the same, so it's the hard part. I will draw it very lightly now, so after I can make it more intense. I will make it more darker. Now we have to do second the same. The eyebrows look really funny, so thin. Now we have to put like a big patch of eyeshadows. Look what a cute palette I have. Blue, I love blue colors, so yeah. Okay, let's start. And shadows will need to go all the way up till here. It's gonna cover the rest of the eyebrows. Just, oh, I'm clumsy, I know. So I added some more shiny shadows. Shiny shadows.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes.
Looks cool. A little bit even creepy, I would say. Now let's add some fake eyelashes. I have them right here. So tiny. Needs to dry a little bit. And let's put... And we wait. While we wait, guys, please write in the comment next transformation you want to see me doing. Eyes are ready. Oh my god! You know who I will look... Wait. Eyes are ready? Oh my god. Guess who do I look like?
I don't know.
Queen of Hearts.
Queen of...
You don't know? From Alice in Wonderland.
Off with his head!
Yeah, I look like her a bit with the eyebrows. Oh my god, so cool. Time for the blush. Need more intense.
More energy, more footwork.
Okay, and we are close to the end. We have the cheeks. Nice and pinkish. It looks not bad actually. Really? Well, yes, for someone who started putting makeup yesterday. Now let's do the lips. Let's start with the lip pencil. I will do a bit overline. Now we just need to fill it in with the gloss. Ta-da! It's ready. No, actually it's not. We have to add one last, the most important thing, which is peel-off mask. So I have some water here and a peel-off mask right here. I just need to mix them together. Okay. A bit more. That's a lot. Okay, let's try to mix it. So guys, if I have 50 comments on this video, I promise I'm gonna apply it to the cameraman. I will. Okay, the mixture is ready. I'm scared. Interesting. Will it become transparent after? I don't know, I think I will need to put a lot of it. Okay. Oh, it's so cold. I never put face mask after I have a lot of makeup on me. Such a weird feeling. No, I don't like it on my lips. Why I did it? Okay, we need to dry it. And it's ready, it's all dry. It looks so creepy. And I can't move my face. It's a bit strange. Okay, let's put the wig cap. Oh my god. Let's hide all the hair. Oh my god, I really can't speak. It's getting more and more tight. It's okay. I'm gonna cover it with the wig. Go. Help. Oh, really looks like Annabelle. Nice.
So good.
The only thing I'm missing? Clothes. Wow. Look at me. Oh my god. If you see me at night, outside, you would really get scared. So satisfying. Ew! Oh my god, my eyebrows. Ooh, nice. Feels so good to have my face back. Oh. Okay, I need to go to wash everything. Ciao. So, wait, doesn't make sense. All right, let's play a game. If this again. Now we have to fix everything with the setting powder.